You want to go check on it? Yeah, let's go see.
Did Daddy how an actor did it? He just drilled a hole in the tree and then set something with little tiny tube to the tree with a bucket coming.
Do we have any liquid in here? Well, we have a little bit. Alright, let's drill another one. Oh, we don't want to spin that whole thing. Okay. Alright, where did you say?
Right here.
Right here?
Can't get that.
Yeah. Getting suckered into this game. Lucky ducky. It says you get a prize every time. So here's $1. Hey, you got it.
It's kind of old.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's over here.
Is it?
Oh, the light.
Oh, you found it. Oh, yeah. Let's see how you do.
Whoa! Hey, look at these.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, go. What? Go. What? Go. Okay, this one's closed. Nathan wants to go up this one. Okay, let's go.
No, I don't want to go up.
Let's try it. Come on, hurry. I'm beating you.
Daddy, run.
Come on.
Help me.
Hurry. You have to go fast. Oh, you're beating me. Hey, wait. Hey, Nathan. Go, 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 go. Hurry. Hurry. Faster. Oh, man. Oh, I'm so tired. Coins to play Star Wars. Yeah. Okay, shoot the bad guys. Yeah, all the blue ones. There we go. Oh, I'm just resting with my friends. Just resting with my friends. Got my army friend. Got my Lego friend. Huh? What happened?
Like you.
Okay, so here we are with Nathan's camel jeep. He just stopped.
That was our last one.
Oh. Oh. Hey guys, that was really fun. If it's snowing wherever you guys are, go out and sled for a little bit and make snow angels like Nathan's doing. Yeah. Oh.
We're making number 1, and number 2, and number 3, number 4, and number 5. If we have time, we can make a number 6 too.
There we go. Okay. Guess I'll just sit here and hold the sled. Hey, wait! Wait for me! Oh, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. You think it was fun, Nathan?
Yeah.
You like sledding down the hill? You like jeeping in the snow? Hey, we stopped. Why did we stop? Oh, okay. Slip and fall. Slip and fall, Nathan.
Whoa.
The snow's coming with me. Oh, hey, you kicked me. Oh, I'm pooping all the snow. Oh, 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 okay. Oh, hey, you don't hang on to me. Oh my God. Oh, man. Oh no. Oh no, it broke. The tripod broke. Oh no.
The tripod broke.
Oh man. Alright, gotta get a new one. Fixing my Christmas sweater. The one that lights up. Somehow it got into the laundry, so the wire came off. Nathan's opening this remote for me, and we're gonna solder the wire back on. Okay, so we got the wire stripped. Now we're gonna attach them back to the terminals. Yes, Nathan, it works. This thing feels tighter. That way. Turn it the other way. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. See if it works. Merry Christmas! I have my smaller sweater.
It'll make these right. It would be hard to open. Wait, number 1 step. It hurts. Actually, big pieces. Hey, look at this rubber thing. It's a rubber huge type.
Okay, so it says blue on orange collage.
What does that mean?
Go ahead. you got one. All right, go ahead. Look. Wow. Look at these.
Whoa.
What do you think it is? They hopped all the way to the tree. Man, these are big hops. You try to jump that far. You can't even jump that far. Where did it go?
I think it tried to make... I think it died right here.
Well, then where is it?
Something must have ate it. And then this...
But then we would see the other tracks too. Of
Well,
whatever
maybe
ate
it was a bird that picked it up and then slid into this tree and then ate it.
Oh. That seems reasonable.